going, guys? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, because it is cloudy and a bit raining outside, showering a little or drizzle, I thought to bake giant cookies. Well, this is only one cookie, but the recipe is for giant cookies. It makes more than a dozen of giant cookies. This cookie has old-fashioned of oatmeal, old-fashioned oat, raisin, also chocolate chips, also banana. So check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! The dry ingredients. This is 2 cups of enriched strong baker's flour with half cup of old-fashioned rolled oats and half cup of skim milk powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix this. So just mix the dry ingredients. So this is 1 cup of dark brown sugar with half cup of regular sugar. We're gonna add in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, or you can use any other vegetable oil of your choice. I have bottles and bottles of extra virgin olive oil that I have to use up. They were on sale. My husband loved buying things on sale, and then I have to use everything up. It's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna cream this until completely creamy and change in color, and then we're gonna beat in 2 eggs, but 1 egg at a time. Add in 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend and 1 teaspoon of almond extract and half of a ripe banana, just half of it. Mix it until banana completely mushed. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. You want to stir it in batches, a little at a time, or half at a time, quarter at a time. Keep mixing. They should be combined nicely but not over mixed. Now add in half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and half cup of raisin and fold in. We're just gonna use ice cream scoop or cookie scoop and drop per one tablespoon or 1 scoop, and that's regular size. If you want to make it large, make it 2 drop or 2 scoops. So just scoop right away to your baking pan, and it should be ungreased. And I want to make it larger, so I drop by 2 scoops. I'm gonna bake it for 8 to 10 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit. This is convection oven, and my oven has option for cookies. Otherwise, just use the bake options. Take out from the oven and cool completely on the baking pan, and then move them to the rack.